Now, with the driver safety system is that we support 4 key features: drowsiness and yawning to measure driver fatigue, and then also smoking and talking on the phone to eliminate those often in many countries illegal behaviours. Now, we certainly see the driver safety system playing a very important role. We're seeing this also on other more commercial vehicles, is that it enables the driver to focus a lot more on their task and screen out the other distractions within the operation. So I think you see this as a very important feature. Here's just a look at the display UI. I'd say that this is available as part of the vision package. Is that this gives the driver a much clearer view of what is happening around their vehicle. It also adds in visual alerts to the audio ones as well. So again, I think this provides a very clear picture for the driver of what's happening. When you add in the speed and reverse light sensor kits as well, there are also some changes to how the screen is set up, providing a very clear picture of the operational environment. And this is just a 2PD display UI with the speed and reverse sensor in close-up.